There are many products available to choose potting soils, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best potting soils from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wonder Soil Organic Potting Soil. Made of compressed coconut coir and enhanced with nutrients to help plants grow bigger and stronger, the Wonder Soil Organic Potting Soil is extremely versatile and can be used for indoor and outdoor plants, including herbs, flowers, microgreens, cactus, and even seed starting. Unlike many other potting soils, it's peat-free, which is a benefit for some gardeners who worry about the sustainability of peat moss. Coconut coir is a renewable resource. When mixed with water, the contents of the bag will expand to 4 times its size. The cocoa coir in the potting mix does an excellent job of retaining water, so you'll likely need to water your plants less frequently. It also helps promote aeration in the soil, which keeps roots healthy. Natural ingredients such as worm castings, kelp, and mycorrhizae beneficial microbes help plants grow bigger with stronger roots and improve their resistance to disease and drought. Number 2. Black Gold Seedling Mix. The best potting soils for starting seeds should be more finely textured than other types of soils. This will make it easier for seeds to sprout and seedlings to grow. Dense, coarse soil makes it more difficult for those tiny plants to push through the soil. This seed starting mix has a fine texture and is free of large pieces of bark or other organic matter. It includes Canadian sphagnum peat moss, perlite, and an organic wetting agent to promote drainage while also retaining water so plants grow strong roots and thrive. It's also enriched with silicon, which can thicken plant stems and increase root mass for stronger, healthier plants. This seed starting mix is OMRI listed for organic gardening, so you can feel good about starting your vegetable seeds in it, as well as herbs and flowers. Number 3. Hoffman Organic Cactus and Succulent Soil Mix. The Hoffman Organic Cactus and Succulent Soil Mix is ready to use right out of the bag, so you don't have to worry about adding any ingredients yourself. It contains both sand and peat moss to help improve drainage, and works well for both jungle and desert cacti. This potting mix is not quite as rocky in consistency as some other more expensive cactus and succulent mixes, so the drainage may be slightly slower. However, it's a great choice if you have a lot of cacti and succulent plants. The pricier blends might not be affordable once you buy enough for all your plants, and it still offers much better drainage than standard potting soils. Number 4. Espoma Organic Potting Mix. An organic potting mix is a great choice for growing vegetables in your garden, as you'll be eating the food that you grow in these potting mixes. Espoma Organic Potting Soil Mix contains all natural ingredients without synthetic plant food or chemicals, so it's safe for you and your vegetables. Made with a blend of sphagnum peat moss, humus, and perlite, this potting mix helps ensure good drainage to keep roots healthy. Plus, enhancements of earthworm castings, alfalfa meal, kelp meal, and feather meal provide nutrients and serve as natural fertilizers. The mix also features mycotone, the manufacturer's blend of mycorrhizae, which are beneficial microbes that can help grow stronger roots and bigger blooms. This potting soil can be used for both indoor and outdoor plants. In addition to vegetables, it works well for herbs and flowers. Number 5. Miracle-Gro Houseplant Potting Mix. The right potting soil can help your houseplants thrive by improving drainage and providing aeration to keep the plant's roots healthy. Although you can use an indoor-outdoor mix, we like the Miracle-Gro Houseplant Potting Mix, which is specifically designed for the needs of indoor plants. This potting soil includes a mix of sphagnum peat moss, perlite, coir, fertilizer, and a wetting agent, the combination of which helps make it less prone to gnats. The fertilizer included in the potting soil will help feed your plants for up to 6 months after planting. The all-purpose potting mix works well for a variety of common indoor plants, such as pothos, spider plants, monstera, philodendron, and English ivy. Unfortunately, this potting soil is only available in one relatively small size. One 4-quart bag is enough to fill an 8-inch container. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.